Well, hey guys, it's taken me a while, but I finally got back around to sitting here with you guys, and I want to show you through White House Blues. It's been many days ago I performed that piece for you guys, and then I never got around to doing the lesson. So let's do it. We did discuss how to set the banjo up properly, and that is necessary to be able to play up this high on the fretboard. You need to make sure your bridge is set in the right spot and so forth. So, you know, refer back to that video, Banjo Setup, I think is the title of that. So my tuning, guys, I'm in standard tuning, but I'm one step lower than standard. So F, C, F, A, C. That's my tuning. Alright, take this thing off of here. Okay, so how do we play that song? There's basically, you do it any way you do it, but it's all based off these little and all I'm doing there is doing little double notes with my thumb lead on my right hand. It's just sweet spots, and you can use these same spots to play a lot of different stuff. So my ring finger and my middle finger is how I start the song off on, and I'll usually slide onto the 12th fret here and do a pinch with my thumb and my index finger on the first and second string as I slide onto the 12th fret. That's how I come into the song. You can do those slides over and over again. So it's all here, and then you take your pinky and drop it down to, what is it, the 14th fret. It looks a lot harder than it is. It just takes a little bit of getting used to it. But this is simple stuff. I don't really do too much complicated stuff up the fretboard, what I would call complicated. This is pretty basic stuff. And you just have to come up with your own little roll down on your right hand. And you can do it real simple. Let me try to show you all a simple overhand way to do it. Pretty neat. Okay, so we got this part down. That's how I do that, but you can do it real simple. So that's how that would do overhand style. But so you're down here to start. Then I'll come right up with my index finger and know whatever this is, the first string at the 9th fret. And then you're basically just walking your way back up to here. And so I do it a couple of different ways, but you can do it as simply as so you walk your way up somehow. And what I'm doing there is I'm taking my index finger and I'm barring the 5th fret. I do a real hard bar there, all my fingers on it. And then you do your double note again. And it's the same thing. I'm dropping my pinky down to the 7th fret. sort of meander my way there, and then I'll take my index finger and I bar at the 7th fret and take my pinky and drop it to the 9th fret. Whoops! I'm really trying to show you all how I do that. And then the little chorus part is just all barring at the 5th fret for the most part. Let's see. You see, it's all based around that little double note. So it's just a matter of, once you figure out how to control that little blast of double notes, it took me years to be able to kind of control any of that at all. So you just have to work on it. And those words I sung were just sort of like the Woody Guthrie old, anti-fascist political words and stuff, but there's a ton of words you could sing to that song. Gamble way down to the town of Newport News. More I gamble, more money did I lose. If I lose my money, let me lose. Oh honey, if you lose your money, don't lose your mind. If you lose your woman, please don't come looking for mine. Well guys, I don't know, that's a tough one to teach. I hope that was helpful to you. We'll show you some close-ups, of course, as usual. Look out for those tomorrow or the next day, and let me know in the comments if you liked this, if you want me to do another video on this song and break down specific parts. Let me know what you think. It's been a pleasure, and I sure appreciate everybody contributing and watching and commenting and stuff. All right, I'll see y'all later.